Hello guys, this is our hotel room tour. They put us almost on the top floor. This is the 28th floor. We're 2 away from the top floor. And we just got off the elevator. This is outside. I can see 28 floors down. So our door opens up and goes straight to outside. Scary. Look, we got a nice view on our window.
You have to remove that. Can you put it in? Cute. Sorry. Wait.
So here's the room. This is our walkway. And walk over here to the window.
Making sure that it's not.
There's a car park.
This is our
There's like a bay area over there.
shower.
Well, you can open that window.
There's hot and cold shower. The toilet. There's no bidet. It's fine. But
It's a pretty nice view.
There's shampoo. There's towel.
Can't really see a big, well actually you can, the city's just really far away.
Let's close this.
Later on, we'll turn off the light in here so that way y'all can see a much better view. It's the glare again.
This story.
Can you turn off that light for just a second? So I could show them the view. You look, here's a way better view. Y'all can see back here,
There's the AC.
humongous city.
The AC is.
Just goes for days all the way around. And that is Hong Kong, I think. It goes all the way to over here. And farther, it just keeps going around. I don't know, there's like a little storage area back there. We got 2 beds because it's cheaper, but we're just gonna put them together. We're either gonna push them together.
That's what Corey is saying. It's cheaper if it's twin bed. So since we want to always be sleeping beside each other, we're gonna move it together so it will be one big double bed.
We can actually just fit on 1 bed if you want to.
I don't want. Let's just move it together.
Okay.
Yes.
This is cool. It's like a high ceilings.
I know.
This is a very
It's a
strange,
cute little hotel.
a very
It's a
strange one
budget
too though.
hotel. And you can look. you
The
can-
door is missing off the
you can
cabinet.
pull this up.
Wow. It's a little secret drawer.
Yeah. But we're gonna close it. What's this? Wait, there's no.
Cool. It's a little light there.
We're really amazed.
Is there a plug-in by the nightstand? Like, is there a plug-in there to where we could charge
No.
our stuff?
No, but it's over there.
We have to charge our phones all the way over
Sorry
here.
if I'm being moody. But this
We
is
got free
amazing.
slippers.
And we can sit here palabi.
The door is completely missing.
We can sit here.
Are you actually allowed to sit there?
Yeah. 'Cause
Why
it's
would you
long.
though?
But there's the bus. And
Well, we've got a
there's
big blind. You could pull that blinds down.
Cutie. And there's a window, so don't worry. There's a window.
I think this is probably the fridge. Yep.
There's a fridge.
Like a little mini ref.
Can you? It's open. It's open.
With our bags in here, we don't even have enough space to open.
It's closed.
Here's this little stool.
The left is turned off.
This thing here, if you take this out, it turns off all the power. You have to what?
You have to plug it.
It's not cold.
It's not cold right now.
Oh, it's because you turn this, when you put this card in, it turns the power
I
on.
didn't put it.
Yeah, but whenever you come in, the power comes on.
But this is our hotel.
Little slidey door.
The sleepers.
Wow, there's a big step here.
Like
It's,
a normal hotel thing. Basic needs.
the bathroom's a little smelly. Smells like onions in here. Here's the mirror. It's a cool little sink.
And then mini ref underneath. And of course the AC.
And towels.
And then the hot and cold shower. Cory's bag is really big here. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys. The hot and cold shower with
Two
a
in one.
shampoo and body wash, 2-in-1. But we got our shampoo then, and we have towels. They change the towels every day. But do they have like a toothbrush?
No, there's no.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna have to go and
We
buy.
don't have toothbrush, but we have a mouthwash. So, this is our cute little,
There's toilet paper.
cute little.
There's no bidet.
thing. That's so cute. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you like it because it's
Everybody
sleeping
wave.
time. It's 1 a.m. and we need to get up early for Disneyland. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hi, Ate Abby.
Everybody say hi to Kim's vlog.
Yeah, hello. So we made friends today. But anyway, bye.
So far, the airport and then the train was like way more advanced technology and very nice. But the hotel, compared to Tokyo, the hotel in Tokyo was much nicer and more advanced. They had like an electronic keypad on the toilet here that controlled all the settings of the toilet. And then they had like a keypad that controlled all the settings in the hotel room. But it's still a nice, acceptable. It's perfect for us, just a little small room. That's all for this one. I hope y'all enjoyed the room tour. There wasn't much to it, so sorry about that, but love you guys. God bless y'all. We'll see y'all in the next one.